Hey guys, it's Pauline. I have an unboxing, so let's check it out and see what it is. The label, it got relabeled by FedEx, so I'm not actually sure where this came from. Okay. Okay, so this is Kate Spade's order. So let's take a look at it. So Kate Spade had a really good sale. It was percentage off of whatever, and then there was like an extra percentage. And then I had I want to say it was Capital One Shopping, where you get a rebate on top of that. So I would try to link these. So I'm pretty sure that sale is still going on. So let's take a look. So this is the small leather good that goes with this. You can probably kind of get an idea what that is. I think sometimes the stuff on the Kate Spade side, it just doesn't command the price that Coach does. But I think there are similar styles, similar products. Okay, so let's see. This does show the name of this, so that's the name, and that is the color. I think it's Hazy Morning. All right, and this is so soft. We got branding back there, and on the Spade. Ooh, I feel like I'm gonna damage it. It's tight. Okay. Alright, we got more branding back there. And you got 2 card slots right there. You got a little hideaway pocket there. 2 card slots over there. And then we got a change zipper. Well, let's see. The zipper is kind of, I think maybe that material is stuck in there. Okay, there we go. So that's what that is. So that is really cute. And it's gusseted. Oh, so that comes all the way down. It zips all the way down. And you even got some branding on the inside of there. Very cute. Very, like wipeable material there. I like it. Very, very cute. So I think you couldn't really get a good idea of what this was, because they had it like, they only had like 2 or 3 shots, and then they had it like this. So I couldn't really tell how this was going. But I just took a chance on it because it was the same color. But I do like it. Alright. So now, so this I bought with, there is a leopard print purse. This was in the same order. There's another video on this. Alright. So this is nice size purse. I think it is comparable to one of those Coach purses. That's like really sought after right now. But this was way cheaper. And I would, again, try to link it. This is really soft and supple. I love it. And so that is, is this KAYLA or Layla? I think that's a K. KAYLA Shoulder. Hazy Morning is the color. Alright. So let me unwrap this. Okay guys, I'm back. That took a minute. So I don't think I have any other purse that has this kind of strap on it. It's kind of neat. So you can slide it back and forth. It's kind of neat. Make it a strap, a shoulder strap, or you can make it a crossbody. It's kind of neat. And so, okay, I guess you snap them into place where you want them. I didn't even know this feature about it. See? Like if I wanted it to be short, I would snap these. Snap that, I guess. And then that way, it can't move. How neat is that? That's a unique design, I think. I haven't seen one like that. I like that a lot. And then look at this connecting piece here. This is a very nice purse. I don't think I even saw all these details. I just saw this silhouette and I thought, I don't remember what kind of Coach purse that has this, but I know it's expensive. And so I was thinking, I bet you this is the same quality. It's just on the Kate Spade side. But anyway, so there's no feet. There is a little buckling here, but I don't care at all about that. You don't really see any stitching except for around here. And on the strap. And we got that really cute gold. Nice and shiny. And then let's look in here. This is a nice size cavity here. But it's slim at the top so it could be flush against your body. But you can still carry a lot. And so we have the branding there. And then we have that wipeable material, but it also has the branding in there. We have, so this comes out. So if you do waste something in there, this comes out. We got a leather zipper pull and made in Cambodia. And I don't know if that's a style number or what. Very neat. So I like this a lot. I like this more than I thought I would. So I'm very happy with this. So I got the purse and the matching wallet. And this was a nice surprise. I'm very happy with this. All right, so I will link that if I can. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.